It's Carl. It's Danny. It's Eli. It's Stella. It's Bria. Construction Truck Adventures.
Santa's Workshop. The construction crew is on a special mission to the North Pole. Santa has invited them to help build his new workshop.
Wow! We made it to the North Pole.
It's even more magical than I imagined.
I can't believe that we're actually here.
To be fair, the sleigh ride was a bit bumpy, but it was worth it.
Now, where's Santa? I'm eager to get started on his workshop.
Look, it's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. He's here to guide the construction crew to Santa.
Hi, construction crew. I'm Rudolph, and I'm here to guide you to Santa. Follow me.
The North Pole can be a cold place with lots of snow and blizzards. Let's hope one doesn't happen while they're out here today.
I'm not afraid of a little snow. My blade can handle anything.
I hope the snow doesn't slow us down. These tires are ready to roll.
I'll smooth out all the snow.
I hope it doesn't get too windy. I don't want to get blown over.
This is really exciting. I've never been to the North Pole before.
Santa seems to have a big job ahead of him. Let's see how the construction crew can help.
Here we are. Hi, Santa. We made it, and I brought the crew.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the North Pole, construction crew. I'm so glad you could make it.
Hi, Santa. Thanks for inviting us.
I need your help. My old workshop is getting a bit too small, and I need a new one built before Christmas Eve.
A new workshop? We'd love to help.
Ho, ho, ho! Wonderful news. I'd like to have it built right here. Can you do it?
With all this snow, it looks like a challenging project.
But we're up for the challenge, and we can make it perfect.
All right, crew. Let's get building.
Trucks, build and play, build it together every day. Eli digs and Bria pushes, Danny dumps and Stella smushes. Build it up, build it high, construction trucks touch the sky. Carl lifts with his long arm, building fun all around. Trucks, work and play, build it together every day. Eli digs and Bria pushes, Danny dumps, then Stella smushes. Build it up, build it high, construction trucks touch the sky. Carl lifts with his long arm, building fun all around.
Wow, the workshop is looking fantastic. Santa is going to be so happy.
Ho, ho, ho! Great job, construction crew. The workshop is complete and even better than I could have ever imagined.
Oh, what's that? Is that a blizzard? What are we going to do?
Terrible timing. Everyone, let's get inside my new house.
This way.
Hurry.
Follow me, everyone.
The blizzard is getting stronger, the wind is howling, and the snow is piling up. Oh no, it looks like there's even a scary witch.
Now you'll never get to deliver those presents, Santa, without your sleigh.
The scary witch piled so much snow onto the sleigh that it disappeared. Inside the cramped workshop, the construction crew rode out the storm.
This storm seems really serious.
Santa? Is your sleigh going to be okay out there?
Oh, no. I forgot to cover it up. I hope it'll be okay.
Yeah, me too. I hope there isn't something out there too, like, I don't know, a scary witch or something. That would be scary.
Don't worry, Santa. We'll find it even if it does get covered.
Yeah, Bria is the best at clearing stuff. She can do it.
It looks like the blizzard has finally stopped outside.
Oh, the storm has passed.
Awesome. Let's head outside, crew.
The blizzard has passed, but where's Santa's sleigh? What is the crew going to do?
Oh no! Where did my sleigh go? I don't see it anywhere.
All right. Let's see if we can dig it up, crew.
Make way. I'll take care of that.
Bria used her mighty blade to move all that snow, but the sleigh was nowhere to be found. What will the crew do now?
I can't find a sleigh anywhere. This doesn't seem natural.
Hey, wait a minute, crew. We have our own sleigh. That's perfect. We can use it to help Santa deliver all the presents.
What a great idea, Stella. Hey, Carl, can you go get the sleigh and bring it back?
You got it, Eli. But, Rudolph, can you guide me again?
Great idea. Follow me.
Right behind ya.
Carl and Rudolph traveled back through the North Pole to get their sleigh. It looks like Carl and Rudolph have saved the day. Now it's time to get the sleigh ready and prepare to deliver presents.
Here's the sleigh. I hope it's big enough for all those presents.
It's perfect. Right, Santa?
Thank you, Carl. Thank you, Rudolph. You're lifesavers.
I'll help carry the presents.
The sleigh is all packed and ready to go. The construction crew is going to help pull the sleigh and deliver presents all over the world. What a Christmas Eve adventure!
I'll lead the way with my nose, of course.
It's going to be perfect. I'm excited.
Me too. This is gonna be awesome.
To be honest, I'm actually a little scared of heights.
Oh, Carl. You'll be fine. Let's do it.
I can't believe I get to ride up here as Santa.
Thank you, construction crew. You're lifesavers. Without you, no one would have received any presents this year. You'll be on the nice list forever.
Ho, ho, ho indeed. The construction crew is off with Santa. Join us next time for more construction truck adventures.
It's Carl. It's Danny. It's Eli. It's Stella. It's Bria. Construction Truck Adventures.